Hello and welcome. My name is Ron Roberts. I'm one of the real estate professionals at the R&J Roberts team with Empire Network Realty. Today we're going to talk about building better credit to help you become a home owner. First off, I want you to know where we are. We're actually in downtown historic Winter Garden, Florida. Amazing city. Lots of great restaurants and shops to be able to go to. Been to quite a few of them. Love it. It has a West Orange Trail that goes right through downtown Winter Garden here. So if you want a quick bite to eat or a beverage while you're on that trail, you can take that quick stop and enjoy the day. A lot of history here. They have the Heritage Museum. So we're actually at the Splash Park and Pavilion area, so areas for the kids to be. They always have entertainment throughout the year, so make sure you take some time, come down to Winter Garden, Florida, and see what they have to offer. Or if you're looking for that new place to live, well, this is it. Winter Garden, Florida. They have everything to offer. And let's talk about how you can be that homeowner and get that home here in Winter Garden, just west of downtown Orlando. So building better credit is key. Most Americans are going to need to finance their home. Might be lucky enough to have that cash purchase, but if not, you're going to need that better credit. So recognizing the value of good credit is extremely important, because the creditor is going to take a look at that credit file, and if they can see that you have managed your credit properly, they're going to be more willing to lend you money for an auto loan, a home loan, maybe some education expenses for a low rate, and ultimately saving you more money. So understanding your credit score is really important. This will help you get that better rate and saving you money. One of the first things the creditor is going to do is pull your credit file and look at your credit score. What makes up that credit score from FICO is your payment history. Do you actually pay your payments on time? The amount you owe. You always carry large balances on your credit cards? You never pay them down? That's going to hurt your credit score. So a good rule of thumb is try to keep your balances at least 30% or lower of your maximum limit. Length of credit. You know, how long have you had the credit card or the auto loan or things like that? They're going to look and see how big that file is. The larger it is, the more information it's going to give that lender, so they can make a better decision on how much money they want to lend you. New credit. This is where some people get messed up on. They're always getting the department store cards. You give you an extra 10% off, or here. You know, new credit can actually hurt your credit file. You need to have a good balance. The type of credit used. You need to have a good balance of revolving lines and term loans, and paint that better picture and show the lender that you can manage that credit file. So two things people kind of have some trouble with. First, establishing credit. That can be difficult. We can definitely help you out with establishing credit. Maintaining your good credit is up to you. People kind of default on this, whether opening a check account and savings account and not managing that properly, not depositing money in time to make sure you cover those debts that you have coming out. That can cause you to get an account closed. That's going to negatively affect you, because the lender's going to want to look at your checking and savings accounts so you actually make deposits. Using your credit cards carefully. We talked about that a little bit already. Making sure you're paying on time, paying down the balance is at least to 30% of the limits, so they know that you're managing your credit file. Establishing credit independently for the marriage couples. You know, your partners need to have their own credit file, because if you don't, you never know what life throws at us. You know, there's divorce, unfortunately. There's early death. I've seen it where people over 50 years old have come to us and they've lost a spouse, and unfortunately they didn't establish any credit for themselves, so it's like them starting brand new, like they're 18 or 20 years old, and having to create a new credit file at age 50 or more. It's really difficult. So establishing credit independently is extremely important. And also, make sure you pay your promissory note. That means you promise to pay back this loan. Make sure you do that. If you have any trouble making those payments, contact your lender immediately to tell them what's going on. Maybe they might be able to help you out with some type of different payment plan. And knowing what's on your credit file. This is extremely important, especially in today's world where there's so much identity theft. There's a website for free. It's www.annualcreditreport.com. It gives you all three bureaus reports once a year, no cost to you, no credit card. You definitely want to look at that at least once a year. So establishing and maintaining your good credit is really important. So those of you that might have had a bump in the road and you've had to, knocked your credit score down, you might want to restore your credit. Well, the good news is you absolutely can. We've helped many people restore that credit to become homeowners or get that auto loan. You can definitely restore your credit. Just please know this, a word of caution. Be wary of those credit repair companies that want to charge you a fee because most likely you don't need to pay anybody to take care of your credit. You can actually do it yourself. We've helped people with no cost contact the lenders, work out a payment plan, get those debts taken care of, and at no cost to you, and you're actually raising that credit score and strengthening that credit file. So it's very important that you use caution when you're looking at restoring your credit. But if you need to do that, contact us. We can let you find out how to do that. Basically, so take action today. You want to take action today, start immediately, looking at your credit file, see what needs to be done. We can help you, give you the tools, put you on a path of restoring your credit or building that credit. Whether you are in the mid-range, you want to have that 850 score. If you want to go all the way that high, that'd be fantastic. You'd get any lender to give you anything you want. So we can help you do that. Give us a call at 407-454-9800 or email us at info@rjrteam.com to set up that one-on-one consultation to be able to get you on the path of building a better credit to be that homeowner that you want to be. And no obligation, completely free. We'll help you do that. Well, thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Ron Roberts with the R&J Roberts team at Empire Network Realty.